This AI isn't even public yet, and it just broke math. It's called Astra, from OpenAI, fully unreleased. It just solved 10 problems mathematicians couldn't crack for decades, with proof a computer can check line by line. One of them stood since 1946. A Fields medalist, basically math's Nobel Prize, said he'd publish it without hesitation. Total cost, about $2,000. This isn't a chatbot guessing an answer. This is original scientific discovery, and almost nobody can even use this model yet. Follow, I break down what's coming in AI before it's mainstream.